Sla Kurdistan! Hey everybody, so today I'm gonna be reacting to Kurdish music and we're gonna react to Rojbin and Fehîme. I love them. I love them so much. They are so amazing and they have mashups and like I just love them so much. I'm a big fan of them. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Oh yes! Rojbin Kizil! Yes! Okay, so now it's 3. I only remember 2. I only remember her and her, but I don't know who is this one. Maybe it's the sister? Derdê. Oh, I know it's gonna be beautiful because they're so beautiful. Oh yes, come on. They better give me something. I just think they're so amazing, and I feel like the fact that they don't have the recognition that they should have, it kind of makes me angry because they're so amazing, like really amazing. I love them. Okay, let me do it again. Hi Rojbin. They're just so good. Yes, and they look so good. Yes, Dora Chameye Sevi. Yes. Chameye Sevi. Dora Chameye Sevi. Yes. Oh my gosh. She plays the violin too. I'm sure. If she does, I'm dead. Who is this girl? Oh, so this little girl plays the violin. Oh wow. Oh wow, I love. Oh, you see, this is beautiful. Yes, like it makes you happy, you know. Yes, yes. I just get like, I'm shook. I love them. I love the song. I'm done. She's rapping. Oh, Bana girl. Bana, like girl. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Give me something, and they're giving. They're so talented, you just don't understand. Okay, again. Come on, Rojbin. Hey. Bichale. Come on, Kurdistan. amazing, amazing. If you did not like this song, you have no taste on music, and I'm gonna be so mad. Kurdistan, they are amazing. Yes, yes, this is what I wanted. Oh my gosh. They're so beautiful. Yes. Yes. Amazing. What a beautiful. I love them. Amazing. I love it. I love it. And this is an example for everybody who sings that you don't have to have a budget. You don't have to buy an amazing, expensive video to create something beautiful. I support these girls because from the day one I heard them on that Kurdish mashup #1. Le 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 le. I remember, I fell in love. I knew they were something special, just like Bana. I think they're like in the same level. Like, I feel they should have more recognition, and I'm gonna support them no matter what because I love them so much. So girls, I love you. Okay, so if you guys have another video that I should do, comment down below so I can make it happen. More videos on the screen, so get your life. Bye.